So, the problem is ransom note. So let's see. Given two strings, ransom note and magazine, return true if ransom note can be constructed using letters from magazine and false otherwise. Okay. So each letter in magazine can only be used once in ransom note. Okay, so if we have this example right here where ransom note string is like this and magazine is this, so it's like you know s- uh, it's basically we are given a string, some sort of string, uh, like in sometimes we have our information. Let's say this is the can be constructed. So from the words uh, in the can be constructed, letters from the can be constructed, I want to construct some string, let's say. So I will use, let's say, uh, what word can we can construct? We can construct echo, ego. Yeah, it's just a random word I just constructed. So sometimes we need something like that. We have a lot of words, a lot of characters, and we want to construct some string, some sort of word from the given string. So this is a similar kind of, like, we in the dictionary we have a lot of words and we want to construct from one word from the given set of words. So basically, Rent's magazine is a set of words we are given, and we want to construct the string using the characters from the magazine string. The same, if we will be able to construct same string as a ransom note using the words given in magazine, then we can return true, otherwise we can return false. For example, um, we have a string here A, B, C, and I want to construct this string. And I have given, let's say, A, uh, D, uh, B. So I have these characters, let's say, and using this A, I have, okay, I can construct A. I have D. I don't have D here. I don't need D this. I have B. I have B. So there is I have all character, visited all character, like used all characters. There is using all these characters in this string, I'm not able to construct complete this string ABC. So in this case, I will return false. So let's say in this place of D we have C, then in that case we can return true, because we are able to construct the complete string from the given string. So this is the basically problem. We are given a magazine string which contains some set of characters, and we want to construct a string same as ransom note using the letters present in this string. So we are how we are going to approach this problem. The thing that is coming in my mind is uh, what that there could be two type of solution. The one solution that is coming in my mind is like we can use HashMap. Um we can use HashMap to construct the frequency of each letter we have in magazine, and yeah, we can have hash map. Let me and let me Okay, let's say we have a hash map. Hash map is a data structure where we can store values, keys, data as keys and values. So let's say we have basically why I'm going to use this data structure hash map in this problem, because this will allow us to count the number of times a specific letter appears in the magazine string. For example, we have a string. Let's take this example. We have A counted as 1. Then we again have A counted as 2, and we have B. So here B would be counted as 1. So we know how many times A came, how many times B came. So if we have count, and we can then go here on ransom note string, which would be this example. So this is ransom note double A. So we will see first letter from here, which is A, and we will look whether we have A in our hash map. Yes, we have A hash map which have count of 2. So we will decrement this count by 1 because we noted that this A is present. So again, second time we have A, and again we'll look, is there A? Yes, A is there, and we will decrement it as 0. So in this case, we will return true because there was nothing. We found A in the hash map. Let's take another case when we will not be able to construct complete string. Uh, Let me give an example. Let's say we have a double B C T. This is the string we want to construct, and let's say this is our goal. Let's say we want to construct, and let's say we have a a b b c d. So first the approach is first we will create a hash map. Hash map in Python, we call it dictionary, same as dictionary, where we store data as key and values. So in the hash map, we will construct this A, yes, store A as first time 1, then second time A is coming. Now increment A from 1 to 2. Now value of A is 2. Now B, yes, now store B as count as 1, frequency 1. Now we are getting this B, again B, count it as 2, increment to 2. Now again we have B, again increment this 2 to 3. We have 3 times B. Now C count it as 1, like first time. Then we have D, uh, count it as 1. So this is the map constructed for the magazine string. Okay, so the next step that would be uh, we will visit this ransom note string that we want to verify is that there we have choice to construct this string using the magazine string letters. So first we'll see we have A, and we will see yes we have A in this hash map. We have A, and we have count for A is 2. So we will decrement it to 1. And we have B. Yes, we have B. decrement to 2. And we have again B. Hey, we have B, yes, decrement to 1. And now we'll see, hey, C, yes, C is present, decrement it to 0 because no C is present here. And now again we have D. Now again decrement it to 0. So in this case again, this is a true case statement. We will return true because there was not any string where we found that we have not any character present. So I'm just giving example in the case when we'll have not a string. Let's say I'm just reducing the values. Let's take just another example. I'm just taking small example. Double A. This is our ransom note, and this is our magazine. So we will count in our hash map B. It would be like 2. Okay. So we'll see. Hey, we have A. We don't have A. We'll just return false. So the another case could be like this. Let's say we have string this, and in this string, uh, A would be 1. So in this case, what would be? Hey, we have A. Yes, we have A. Decrement it to 0. Again, we'll see. Hey, we have A. Yes, we have A, but we have count of frequency of 0. So it means we don't have any more A, any one more A to uh, from which we can construct this string. So it means in this case again we will return false. So this is the our approach algorithm we are going to solve this problem. So I'm just going to write the code for this. For this I will use unordered map. This is same as dictionary using in Python. Uh, Unordered map, and I will use character as key and integer would be as value, and I'll call it as map simply. And I'll just construct the map for each character. I'm going to use this loop to construct character. So first, starting from first character, going up till the magazine, uh, then incrementing. So I can create a variable here, ch, and magazine ith character, and then we can simply insert this character into our map. So in C++, it's like map. This is a key and increment. So this statement, this statement does, this map ch creates a key in the map, which is whatever the character is, and assigns a 0 value to it. And this operator increments that 0 by 1. So it automatically assigns a 0 value, then increments it by 1. If there is not this specific key present, first time, the first, there is no A present in our hash map. So first, it will assign to A to 0, then it will increment it by 1. So we don't need, we can also add additional check, but for this, I'm going with that. Uh, or we can, yeah, I can add that check, but this also works fine. So This will give us our map constructed, and then I'm going to integer starting from 0 up till ransom note size and I plus plus. So for every character not for every this character we want to see, uh, so for every character we want to check if it is present, its count is present, if map this character is count is 0, it means there is no more characters left like the current character we have, so we can return false. If there is character some value, some frequency of character present, if this condition is not true, it means there are characters present. uh, for this, like this we are getting, so we will reduce, we will decrement map that character, decrement it by 1. So if this condition is not true for every character, for every character if this condition will not be true, it means we can construct the magazine ransom note string using the magazine letters present in magazine, and at the end we can true. So sorry, misspelled the array name. So this is the solution. So I've just quickly dry run this on a problem, how this code actually works, just I did before. First, let's say we have this string A, A, B, B, C. This is our ransom note string, and A, 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 B, B, C. This is our magazine string. So first we will construct our map. This. So first we will visit each character. We have A, and this statement will, what it will do, it will first assign A as 0, and plus plus will give increment it by 1. Again we have A, now it will increment 1 by 1 to 2. Again we have A, it will increment 2 to 3. Now we have B, it will assign first 0 automatically, as in C++ it does, and increment it by 1. And then we have B, it will increment it to 2. So this loop is up till now working. And now we have C assigned to 0, increment by 1. And then we have D assigned to 0, increment it by 1. So this up till now, this we have this hash map. Okay, so what will happen now next? Now we will visit this ransom note string one by one. First we will visit a character. So now this code will be run. We will get first character. Then we'll see if this condition is true. then return false, otherwise decrement it. Okay, so we'll see, hey, here is a, yes, a is a, this is the a key and this is the value which is 3, so a is not 0. It means we will decrement it to by 1. So here I'm going to decrement it by 1, which is would be now 2. Now again we have a, and we will again do this. A is not 0, decrement it by 1. We have b, b is not 0, we'll decrement it by 1. B is not 0, decrement it by 1, which would be 0. C, uh, C is not 0, decrement it by 1. So now complete string visited, and we will in the end return true. This was a true case statement. I'm just a bit modify this string to give you an example of how the false case statement will work. Let's say we have here another C, and for the another C, what will happen? It will say, hey, C is present, yes, C is there, but C value is 0. So this condition will be true, and it will return false. So this is how this algorithm works, and I think I uh, yeah, this is all about how uh, how we'll uh, check whether the ransom we can construct the ransom note string using the letters present in magazine string. So this, the time complexity for this solution would be it would be uh, of m plus of m by n. Why? Because we are visiting our magazine string, then we are visiting our complete uh, ransom note string. So it would be m by n. So m for, you can say, magazine string, and n for ransom note string. So m are the all number of elements present in magazine string, and n is the number of elements, number of characters present in ransom note string. And the space complexity, it would be of, you can say, k, where k is the number of all possible characters, letters. These are all possible letters present in uh, magazine string. This would be k. So uh, inverse case scenario, it would be of k, uh, and lookup in this hash map is constant time. Like when we look up or insert a value in this hash map, it is constant, but overall time complexity for this is constant. Lookup and is lookup and in such an relation, you can say. So this is our time complexity for this problem, and this is our space complexity for this problem.